Take the top off, make sure the power is off. You don't want it coming on. And then you're going to check the impeller, see if it moves. So the impeller moves freely, so it's not seized. Yeah, so it's not seized at all. So we're going to check the capacitor. If you want to learn how to test the capacitor, I'll link it right above, right here, how to test it. But I have one on hand, and we took it off right there. Make sure you watch that video because you can get a shock from the capacitor. So we're just going to get another one. We're going to stick it in and see if that's the problem. There we go, put the new capacitor in, and we'll turn it on, see if that's the problem. That was it.